This is the installation video for the Levelok Quick Connect ladder leveling system on a Type 1 AA 375-pound duty-rated Louisville FE4000HD series ladder. Mark between the bottom pair of rivets and make a line across. You'll want to make two center line marks at 1 5/8 inches. Then connect those by drawing a center line. Please note that this mark is very important. It represents the lowest mounting bolt hole and is the official reference point for the remaining two holes that will be drilled into the ladder rails for proper mounting. There is a left side and a right side to the Levelok base unit. The left side has an L on it and the right side has an R on it. The right side base unit should be installed on the rail that is located on a person's right side when standing in front of the ladder just before climbing. Use the Levelok Quick Connect base unit as a template to mark the rail. There are 4 holes on the base unit. The second hole closest to the shoe is aligned with the first mark that you made on the rail. The hole closest to the shoe is not used in this installation. Make your marks. Drill an initial 1/8 of an inch pilot hole, and then enlarge that hole with an 11/32 bit. Please note that the hole closest to the shoe has an aluminum rail to plate connection that you drill through. Glue a spacer plate to the Levelok Quick Connect base unit at each hole. The spacer closest to the shoe is mounted parallel to the rail. Use the supplied metal adhesive to attach these spacer plates to the base unit. Attach the Levelok Quick Connect with bolts, washers, and nuts. Use 3 of the included 1 1/4 inch length mounting bolts for each base unit. Use a single square and round washer at each bolt, except the bottom bolt mounts directly to the rung to plate connection without any additional washers. Use the provided hex wrench together with a 1/2 inch socket or wrench to tighten all fasteners. After the base unit is installed, with all fasteners, washers, and nuts attached properly, it is important to test the assembly. To do so, line up the 3 mounting knobs on the rear of the leveler. Insert into the 3 keyholes and slide the leveler upward to snap lock into position. Then insert the detent pin that is attached to the lanyard. Next, test the leveler function by snapping the lower curved foot pedal down into the ready position. Extend the inner leg 5 or 6 inches and then retract the inner leg by activating the release lever near the top. Please note that all of Levelok ladder levelers have an automatic backup safety lock, so if there is any pressure on the leveler shoe, the release lever will be restricted in its movement. This safety feature is designed for your safety, and it is important that the leveler shoe remains somewhat loose on the shoe bolt, just as it is when you first receive the product. Install the second Levelok base unit on the opposite rail by following the same directions. After you've finished installing both Levelok base units, the Levelok Quick Connect ladder leveling system is ready to be used.